Hi and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a beef soup, and this soup will be one of the most delicious beef soup ever. It's cut from the upper part of a cow, and this section is known as the chuck. So in this container I have 2 pounds of beef, washed. I'll be adding it to the pot. Adding stalks of scallion, also called spring onion, about a dozen pimento greens, also known as allspice, 3 bay leaves, and 3 crushed cloves of garlic. I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll give this a stir. This beef will be boiled until it's a little tender. Then I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. This soup takes about 3.5 hours to complete. When the beef gets tendered, then, like I say, I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. The beef is now tender. I'll be adding the vegetables. I got some chopped up carrots, zucchini, some chopped corn on a cob, some pumpkin, which will give flavor and color. So I'll be putting them all in the pot, and I'll get back to you when I'll be seasoning the soup. Okay, I'm on the final legs of the soup, and I'll be adding this Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix. This will enhance the flavor and give it some color. I'll also be adding vegetable seasoning, bit of stir. Boil it for another 10-15 minutes, then I'll take it off. Okay, getting into the final minutes of the soup. I'll be adding some dry seasoning. One teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon perfect seasoning, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. I'll also be adding some spinners. These are the spinners. Okay, I'll get back when I'm taking this pot off. Okay, the soup has finished cooking now, and this is how wonderful it looks. Look at the veggies, the corns, the chunks of beef. How lovely it looks. I tasted it, and it tastes very delicious. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.